Hi everyone. So for this Databricks demo, I want to show you a couple of cool things that you can do using Databricks, starting off with information extraction. Now, you might have a whole bunch of very important data sitting in structured tables somewhere on your lakehouse that you would like to actually grab insights from and be able to apply it at scale. So what we can show you is we can actually select one of our tables. And what you'll see happen is it'll automatically generate a sample output of a nice structured JSON of fields that it deems are important for you to extract from this source data. It also gives you the ability to iterate and to guide it. You can explain what fields mean, and that will give the actual agent a better opportunity to give you high quality answers. Now, every time you iterate, how do you know the quality is good? Well, fortunately, Databricks does an amazing job of evaluating. You can look at individual comparisons, or you can actually look at evaluations at a larger scope so you can understand, as it's applying to all of your data, how well is your extraction actually working with metrics that you can define yourself. Now, with that information extracted, let's go talk about our Knowledge Assistant brick. The Knowledge Assistant lets us build a Knowledge Assistant based on both structured and unstructured data. So if you look at one that we've already assembled, you'll see that we can actually pull in unstructured data, such as PDFs in a Unity catalog volume, or we could reference more structured data. In this case, we can look up a vector search index that already has pre-computed embeddings based on a structured table. We can also guide our Knowledge Assistant by giving it some instructions so that it better understands what you're trying to get out of it and can help you give you better quality answers. Everything is tracked via MLflow, and once again, we can iterate on the quality very easily. Here, we can open a labeling session where we can provide answers and questions that we expect our Knowledge Assistant to answer well, and we can surface it in a way that your subject matter experts can go and use your Knowledge Assistant, and they can weigh in on both the questions and the response. They can change the guidelines to better improve your agent, and they can leave crucial feedback that Databricks will then use to automatically improve the overall quality of your Knowledge Assistant. Now, with the feedback saved and updated, let's go into the AI playground and see the final result. We can now ask it a very tough question like, can I approve a 10K signing bonus? And what it'll do is it'll leverage all of those sources that you have built in, both by extracting the information and using your Knowledge Assistant to give you a super high quality answer and give you all the context and knowledge that it found to back up its response. This is how Databricks is helping our users develop high quality AI applications.